In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch to sell it. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do, maybe you want to fully factory reset it so it's basically as good as new, maybe you're selling it on or anything like that. It's actually very easy to do and it's a quick process as well. So all you want to do is go over to your settings application, just make sure you don't have any other games open in the background. You're going to see a lot of different options here. All you want to do is go all the way down to system. Once you're in system, you're going to see a lot of different things, but then you just want to scroll down again. And then one of the things that you're going to go ahead and see is formatting options. So formatting is like factory resetting it. Go ahead and click on that so you can clear the cache if you want to, which is definitely going to help speed things up if you need to. But you're going to say reset factory settings. It's going to say delete all data in the system memory. So that's the one you want to go ahead and click. It might take, as little as 10 minutes, but it might take as long as 1 hour. It really just depends on how much stuff you have internally on the storage, because it's going to be wiping everything and resetting it so that it's as good as new. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Once you turn on your Switch again, after that, then it's literally not going to have any game. You're not going to be signed into any account. It's literally going to be as good as new.